what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to be talking about the Bluetti AC2A portable power station. So it's finally here guys, it's a new model which is the AC2A, and I'm going to be reviewing and testing it. Is this portable power station for you, and what would you use it for? For me, I'll be using it for camping and four-wheel driving. I'll be also powering up my portable fridge, my cameras and my light accessories when I go camping on the weekends and or overnight. The delivery on this was so fast. I got it on the next delivery and it was with Australia Post and it had no problems. So when you get the box, it'll come in this box, and inside this box you'll get your cables, you'll get your manual, and also you get your solar cable. So it also comes with the power cable. Now let's talk about the design. So with the design, I like how it's nice and sleek, and it's just round edges around here, and it's so smooth as well. So it's very minimalistic. It matches nearly everything when you place it anywhere you like. So I like the color of how it's just grey, and then you've got the light grey and a bit of black, and it matches a lot of things when you do your camping setup. So on the back you've got your grab handle. The grab handle is right here. It's easy and you can just grab and go when you need it, and it's very easy to hold, and it only weighs 3.6 kilograms. So the Bluetti AC2A is one of the best mobile power, and it's got a 204.8 watts per hour capacity, and it's also got a 300 watts continuous output. So this also got a 600 watt power lifting, and it's also the perfect mobile station you can have for camping, outdoors, getaways and four-wheel driving. So the Bluetti AC2A has 3 modes. There's a standard mode, a silent mode and a turbo mode. With the turbo mode it can get about 270 watts, and that's fast charging, and it's about 45 minutes, 80% charge. So inside it uses the LiFePO₄ battery, which is 6 times more lifespan. So the AC2A supports pass-through charging, meaning that it can charge and discharge simultaneously. So let's turn it on so you can see what it looks like. So it's pretty quiet when you first charge it, so you can have it on silent and that's really quiet. Have it on standard, it's not too bad of the noise. On turbo you get that noise, but it's still pretty quiet. So with this, I've already tried testing my 12 volt fridge, which is up here, and that's 30 watts, and that can charge up to 5 hours. So over here you got the 12 volt socket, which is there. We've also got the solar socket, which goes over here. You got the USB-C, and then you've also got all your other charging port, and you get 2 USB here. And on the side here is where you plug the power cable and you charge it when you're at home. So I've also tried charging my GoPro on here. Just connect it to here. And you got your GoPro. Plug your GoPro on. make sure you press the DC and then we'll start charging. I've also got my camera battery, and this is, you use the normal plug. You plug it on here. So this plug can do up to 300 watts, but it's got the power lifting which can get up to 600 watts, only if you need to use it. So with that you have to press the AC. So you can do both AC and DC at the same time. So over here on the left, it's showing you how many watts it's outputting. Currently it's the GoPro, it's around 5-6 watts. And then over here it's the input, how much it's charging your battery or your portable station, and I'll tell you how many watts. So when it's on turbo mode, it does about 270 watts, and silent is about 80 watts, and standard is about 130 watts. That's the input. So the USB-C can do about 100 watts, but make sure you're using the correct cables. Some cables are not rated for those watts, so make sure you get good ones like this one. The cabling in the GoPro is really good as well, so make sure you get that type of cable so you get the right amount of watts. So this is the cable for the solar. It's good quality and it supports high wattage as well, so it's really thick cable as well. Same as the cable for the power, it's very thick and it can be used for fast charging. So on the side here, it's got an earthing connection, and it comes with this nut here as well, a screw. So what I like about this is that this has a Bluetti app which you can control with your phone. You can see the function in there, and where you can change the silent mode, standard mode, turbo mode. You can also use it to change the power lifting mode and the eco mode. You can also do it on here to change or do any settings by pressing these buttons here. You can also press both buttons to enter like setting modes, but I like using the app. So with the app, it'll tell you how many percentage left on the battery. It'll tell you how many is coming from the grid, from your solar, or how much it's discharging, or how much it's inputting as well. So the other things I use this for when I go camping is a projector and maybe sometimes a laptop. So I've tested it with the projector. It can run for about 2 hours, and then with the laptop it can run about 1 to 1.5 hours. So I've also tested this with my power bank and my light accessories for camping, and I like how you can put this on top and it's flat, and that's where you can put it when you're charging your phones. The AC2A is a wise energy solution. It's useful for mobile office, home backup, camping, outdoors, and even emergency relief. So on the website you can do a mini fridge which is 60 watts, can do up to 2.3 hours. A laptop which is 50 watts can do 2.7 hours. A juice extractor of 250 watts can do about 0.6 hours. A blender which is 150 watts can do about an hour. A Bluetooth speaker of 20 watts can do 5.5 hours. And an electric blanket 50 watts can do 2.7 hours. That's pretty good. So the AC2A has an intelligent BMS. It also has 3000 plus charging cycles. So it's got about a 10-year lifespan, and it also has 5-year warranty. So is this for you? So if you like going camping, just going out on a weekend away, and you need extra battery to run any of your camping accessories, then you're gonna need this. You can also get 12-volt battery box where you have to build it. Lithium batteries are so expensive these days. Like to get a 100 amp hour lithium battery, it's almost over $500. Sometimes it can get from $1,000. Also, you have to get the DC-DC charger. You also get the fuse and the wiring. You gotta get the battery box and you gotta put them all together. It can go up to about $1,200. So does this fit your budget? It depends on how much you want to spend. But for a high quality product, this is a good affordable buy. At the moment, this is $419. On the description below, I've got a link that you can use. Normally it's $499, so that's almost 15% that you're saving, almost $80 off. You can also get the higher models with the higher watts, and that's also something you need for when you go camping or four-wheel driving. So everything about the Bluetti AC2A portable power station is high quality, and it's so heavy duty, robust, and it looks really nice. I recommend it to everyone. So this is great for beginners who wants to go camping and it's their first time and they want to bring a battery as a backup. This is a good buy for them. And also you can buy a solar. I can put a link in the description as well to get a solar system. So with the solar panel you can get a PV 120 watts or 200 watts. Recommended for this is 120 watts and also 200 watts. You can use that when you go camping, and when the sun is out you can just keep charging this system. So there's other models like this which have 700 watts or 1000 watts, and they're really good and capable when you're going off-roading and camping, or even mobile use, home use, and as a backup. So they made this affordable so it can compete with other brands, but this one's still top ranked because you've got all the features, the control app, and all the quality that gives this power station a good name. So the only thing you need to get if you want to charge it in the car is the car charger, but most of the users use the solar cable as well as the power cable because it's easier to charge at home before you go camping, and then you can use your solar when you're charging it during camping. But the car charger is optional on the website. You can buy it as an optional accessory. So would I recommend this? Yes, I'd recommend this because it's high quality and it's good for beginners to use this portable power station. The AC2A ticks all my boxes against all the portable power station in the market. So I'll be doing a long-term review as well as a review and testing when I go on a trip outdoors, and I'll be using a solar panel as well. So I'll put the AC2A link on the description down below, as well as the solar panel and the website for Bluetti. If you like this video guys, please like and subscribe and become a member to see the latest video. And if you have any question about the AC2A, please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.